In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 easy steps to making money on Digitstem affiliate marketing platform this year, even if you're a beginner. So this affiliate platform is basically new. It's kind of less than a year. It started gaining popularity late last year, and it was made by Nigerians for Nigerians and Africans. First step is registering for the Digitstem affiliate account. So you go to digitstem.com or you go via the link in my description box below. This will get you to this page where you'll be able to read more about Digitstem. Check through the frequently asked questions, scroll down, and just basically read more about it, and you can see where to contact them. Like any other platform, they've also got terms and conditions which you should take your time to read through to avoid unmet expectations. Try and read through the terms and conditions of service before you go ahead and click on signing up with them. Once you are ready, you scroll back up and click on the sign up button. Here you'll be able to choose a username, input your email, choose your country from the list of the various countries that are available, choose your own country, and then input your mobile number, create your own password, confirm password, click on that box that says I'm not a robot, and also agree with their privacy policy in terms of service. Then you click on sign up. Next, you need to verify your email address. A 6-digit code is going to be sent to your email address, and then you need to copy that and input it back into the website and click on submit. Then you'll be able to input your user data. That's your first name, your last name, your address, your state, your zip code, your city, and then you submit. Now step 2 is to fund your wallet, because you really will not be able to do anything until you have funded your wallet and you have subscribed to the affiliate plan. So it costs $10 for a year, and on the left side you can see there's dashboard, membership, plans, your plan information, your content, your activity, deposits, like various things that you can do, and your activities on the left side. So once you are ready, you need to fund your wallet. So to fund your wallet, go onto the left side and click on deposits, then click on deposit now. Then you need to select your gateway, so you can pay with dollars, pay with naira, pay, there are other methods for you to actually pay, and pick the one you want. I wanted to pay with naira, so I picked with naira, and then you put in the amount in USD, so it automatically converts it for you, and you will know how much you'll be paying in naira, how much the charge will be, the conversion rate, how much you'll be paying. So you just click on submit, and then the next thing is for you to input your card details. So you input your card details, and the equivalent of $10 will be deducted from your card or from your bank account. Another interesting thing is that you have various payment options. So you can pay with card, you can pay with your Google Pay, you can pay directly with your bank, you can use e-naira, and there are several methods that you can actually use to make payment. So choose whichever one is most convenient for you, and then click on pay. Now after payment, click on buy now, and then select one, wallet balance $10, click on confirm, and then it tells you your plan has been successfully purchased. So now you are active on the affiliate plan of Digitstem. On the left hand side of your screen, you can see your plan info, your plan history, and you can see how much left you've got on the plan. You can see the marketplace. So this is where you get to see various things to promote to people, various markets, various stuffs to promote. So when you scroll down, you see different things that you can promote depending on what niche you are, and you see the amount in dollars and also in naira, and you'll be seeing how much commission you are going to be paid per sale. So let's say I want to promote one of these products now. Let's say I want to promote number 3. So I've seen my commission and how much people pay to get this. So you can create a link, just copy the link, you can read the terms, you can share directly, you can download, and you can also have more options to share. So to share your affiliate link, what you need to do is to go ahead, pick whatever product you want to promote and click on that button. As you can see, it has copied your affiliate link for you, but this is extremely long. Now we need to shorten it. You need to go to bit.ly or any other shortening platform and shorten this link. So you just click on that and paste the link that you've copied. You can input the title, it's optional, and that is the link that you need to share with people to click on and make a sale. So you can also take part in contests. There are usually contests running and incentives for people who are on the leaderboard. So you can choose which of the contests to go for and join. And you can also see the contest that has already ended. You can click on activity and track your clicks and your sales, the actions of people who have visited your link. And you can check your commissions also by the time you start making sales. And you can check for tutorials. They've only got one tutorial here, which is even not loading, so I hope they will be able to upload more in the nearest future. However, that is how you navigate your way through the dashboard of Digitstem affiliate marketing system. And you can also search for a particular thing that you want to promote in marketplace. So if it's affiliate stuff you want to promote, just type in affiliate and then search for it. There you have it. I hope this is truly helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments in the comment section. Ask your questions also in the comment section. Share this video with your friend. Please share it in your groups and subscribe if you like my content. If you have any video requests regarding the Digitstem affiliate platform or any other topic relating to affiliate marketing or social media marketing, please leave them in the comment section and I'll try my possible best to answer them. There are other videos that I've got here all about affiliate marketing and how you can make money in this year. I'll see you there.